I made this spooky haunted house for about $5, and let me show you how. I'm starting with these house cutouts that I got at the Dollar Tree, and then you'll need 2 different sizes of popsicle sticks. You're going to want to glue the popsicle sticks to the inside of one of the houses, and then we're going to layer one house on top of another. But before we do that, I'm going to add some of this ribbon to the windows. Once everything's spray painted black, it should look pretty creepy. Now let's add some lights in. I got these at the dollar store and they are the color purple. You always want to start with the end of the lights and then go from there. When you're gluing your lights down, just make sure that you keep them very close to the windows, but not covering the windows. Next, glue the tops of your popsicle sticks and then place the second house on top. It should look something like this. Now paint or spray paint your house black. Just make sure to do both sides. I decided to also add a little bit of brown just to make it look more like a real house. Now you can stop here and be done, or you can take it to the next level. I'm going to take some smaller popsicle sticks and break the 2 ends off to make them look like little pieces of wood, and then I'm going to add them to the windows. But first, get some watered down brown paint and then paint these little slats so they look more aged. When you're gluing these down, my advice is to do it kind of haphazardly. Don't think about it too much. Just kind of place it down wherever it goes. And this is what it looked like when I finished. I just think it adds a little bit more of a creepy factor to it. Now you can stop here and be done, but I want even more lights. So I'm going to add one more purple set to the back to just really make it glow. And I absolutely love how it turned out. It's way better than I expected. So this is what it looks like during the day. And then at night, it really glows a lot.